eating it. They're just
Hey guys, it's Shadow. Oh yeah, we got one honk.
We have 2 honks.
Oh yeah, well yeah, we got one in the beginning, but we didn't get the record.
We're doing our thing where we're just kind of holding up signs and stuff.
Yeah. Well, that kid, I think he's complaining. Woo! Yeah. Okay, here comes another person. Let's see. Oh no, it's gonna turn. Yeah. I'm kind of holding a sign, and I can't really. Oh yeah, just let you know this is spots.
Yeah, and Shadow's right over here, and we're actually doing something good for society.
Yeah. Honk.
Why don't you flip and make him look at the cars and stuff, man?
No. Yeah!
Bless you all! Bless you all! God bless you all. Oh, the old bitch didn't do anything.
Oh crap, this is flying against
Bless
my
you all!
face.
Bless you all! Bless you all! Oh, the old bitch didn't do nothing. Oh, you are? Oh, okay.
Yeah. No!
Wait for a stop sign! Because nobody's paying attention. No. Probably think we're hobos. Where's the home?
Yeah! Yeah! Alright! Oh man, your battery's low.
Don't worry about it.
It's on 20%.
Don't worry about it. Dismiss it? Okay.
Okay. Oh no, no!
Careful.
No. No, come on.
These old hobos. That's why they didn't do nothing. The little kids notice it, and the little kids care. So.
They're probably all like, what does that say? Oh, come
They don't
on.
care. Wow.
You guys are mean.
The guy actually looked at it, we didn't honk. We're bad.
On.
Come on, help 80!
80? It's Japan!
Come on, help Japan!
Yeah. Yeah, you bitches. Hey, person! She looked at it, she doesn't care. You guys don't even care, don't you? Do you? Come on, we want a simple honk. A simple honk. And you guys can't do that. That's mean. You guys are racist against Japan people.
Come on! Japan will do stuff like this for you guys.
Sure, they basically own us.
Yeah, pretty much. No, that's China, buddy. Parents are helpers. Woo!
Yeah!
Bless you! Bless your heart!
Yeah.
Bless your heart!
Oh yeah!
Bless your heart!
Oh come on, this is burning. Okay, we just got a new honk by this like huge
How many
truck.
times is that like 30 times? No, that's like we've done it about 9 times.
Yeah.
Come on, guys, honk if you love Japan.
Everybody likes Japan. We like that food.
Oh, I know her.
We like
I
that.
just seen a girl that I know. I swear to God. Come on, honk if you love them.
Come on.
Bless your heart if you honk. If you honk.
Yeah.
Bless your heart, sir. Bless your heart.
you know, he could be some drunk kid.
Bless your heart, sir.
Did he honk?
Yeah. How many honks is that?
I don't know, like 13? Something like that.
Not too bad. She looked over and she was like,
I didn't even think this was gonna work.
Neither did I. I just want to be out here dancing like strippers just to get something.
Oh, come on.
Took a nice little lead too. Come on, people, honk if you love the bed. Japan. I'm tired. You know, what if like News 11 or some shit comes over here and sees us doing this? Then your mom, your grandma, my mom can know what he's doing.
Come on, you whores. Freaking.
Come on, guys, honk!
Come on.
Japan needs some help, everybody! Honk!
Oh, honk. Come
Fuck
on.
your life.
Oh, crap.
Beep!
I
Come on,
can
guys, honk! Woo!
Yeah!
Bless your heart, ma'am! I'm never getting stuff from Champion, I can tell you that.
Got like 15.
You never get no shit from Champion. Bless your heart, ma'am!
Oh, come on. Of course the teenagers wouldn't.
Pay attention to the road. I mean, if you're driving, I can understand, but seriously, pay attention to the road. So you know shit. I'm wearing the rest. Okay. Oh shit.
Okay, we're gonna stop recording for now. Okay, guys, see ya.
Let you guys know what we did around the end, okay?
Okay, guys, see ya.